What Rouge 24's core competency is we'll create brands for companies. We usually do 4 or 5 different concept developments. At that point, it's usually important for us to create mock-ups, prototypes, show them what the in-store signage is going to look like. So there's a tremendous amount of printing in the course of development that we need to do. But of course, offset printing is extremely expensive. You don't get to that until you're doing huge print runs. So having a shop on hand that can really produce something for us that looks very, very much like what that final product is going to look like on shelf is key, which is how we came to get to know Dymark. We've been working with Dymark for coming up on 3 years now. We heard about Rick through the grapevine and tried him out on a project, and we've never turned back.
With this project for Rouge 24, Ann contacted us about needing to develop a trade show type booth for her company. We've bought 3 printers this year, the HP DesignJet L65500 and then the L25500 and the HP Cytex FP700. For us to succeed and continue to grow, we have to have the capabilities of the new technology brings with it. And the money on this thing I could see it from the very first print that we'd spent the money wisely because of the print quality. And then, of course, the white ink added a whole new capability that we hadn't been able to do before.
The fact that Rick is able to very closely match Pantone colors, even with his digital printing system, makes a huge difference for us.
Everything that we've sent to it, we've been able to print out of it, and what's come out of it has been the exact quality, color accuracy that we were looking for when we sent the job to it.
There are a lot more possibilities, just the applications that they can print onto. It used to be just paper, you'd attach the paper to something. Now they can print on glass, plexiglass, whatever you can think of, that can be printed on. That was a pipe dream 5 years ago.
For the HP Cytex FP700, we have printed on everything from adhesive vinyl to plexiglass, aluminum, styrene, Sintra, PETG, cardboard, foam board, card stocks of several different weights and sizes.
The mock-ups that are created for us by Rick and his team are absolutely vital for our business. It's so much more powerful than just showing a client a rendering on a flat piece of paper. When somebody can see something, touch it, and it's a 3-dimensional object, it's so much more exciting, and it really allows them to connect with their project.
The HP web server details everything that goes on with the printer. That helps us to be able to track jobs, but it also helps HP technical support. If there's an issue with the printer, we can send them those logs and they can see actually what's going on. The HP Cytex FP700 has a substantial impact on our ability to maintain a lower cost that we charge our customers because we don't have to deal with error rates, imperfections.
As far as the future of digital printing in my business, I think that we're only going to see the opportunities expanding.
The HP Cytex FP700 is a great fit for small, medium-sized print shops because of the versatility, the ability to print on a wide varying amount of different substrates. You can print it quicker, less cost, less error rates. It's just a win-win as far as I'm concerned. The whole key to our future is taking advantage of the technology as it advances. With HP, I know that advancement will be consistent and constant.
Can I get 3 more of these then?
Anything you want.
This looks incredible, Rick.